Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from RF Radio Network, and today we're going to teach you how to program your openSPOT. Today is June 30th, 2026, so this is the updated version of the openSPOT V91. So this is what you should be prompted when you're doing your quick setup. Now what we're going to be doing today is setting up and teaching you how to do DMR to YSF bridge. Okay, this is simple process. Now I'm not going to teach you how to do your Brandmeister setup. You should have your password readily available because you're going to need it for this process. So remember, we're going from DMR and we're converting to C4FM YSF. Okay, so obviously you need your call sign. And I already have my Brandmeister stuff already set up. So, and we're going to keep this set up. We're going to leave it white. We could go to dark, but we're going to leave it white so it's easy to see. And then we click save. Okay. At this point, we want to go from DMR to C4FM. So we're going to do DMR. And now we're going to select the server type, YSF reflector. All right, so at this point, and you would type in your particular reflector that you want to connect to. And then you hit connect. And we should be
connected to YSF reflector 27973.
Okay, so now, let's see, why don't we show everything? There we go. Connectors. So, what you want it to be is that the connector needs to be YSF reflector. Then you need it to be, set the frequency, the modem type is DMR, and then the server and your call sign. Kilo Delta 2, Golf Alpha Golf.
Yeah, you're sounding great. Full quality. Nice and clear.
Sweet. Thank you very much. All right. So that's it. It's working 100%. So now we're going from DMR. And now this is the DM32 that we're using for this particular setup. So I'm going to teach you how to do that as well, on how to program using the DMR to YSF on the DM32 UV. Okay, now we're working on the DM32 UV CPS. All right. What I want you to do is create a new spot. It could be any number you want. I inserted a new location here. If you're familiar with the DM32 CPS, you can get to this pretty quickly. I named it openSPOT DM32. This is the frequency. It's digital, low power, because your openSPOTs will be nice and close. And that's pretty much it over here. You don't need anything else to set. We move it over to the other side, and we have it for TX contact, and you put yourself there. No group, color code 1, time slot 2. Most important, if you do not do time slot 2, it will not work. Make sure your DMR ID is set for yourself. You hit OK. And that is it. That's all you have to do, and we're rocking and rolling. And we're sounding awesome. Remember, this is simplex only. You're transmitting and you're setting the frequency on the openSPOT. And now we're programming it for this. KD2 GAG. That's insane. So let me go over the Yaesu. Kilo Delta 2 Golf Alpha Golf.
Delta 2, Golf Alpha Golf.
Testing 1 2. Kilo
Delta
Delta
2,
2 Golf
Kilo
Alpha
Delta
Golf.
2, Golf Alpha Golf.
Working 100%.
Working 100%.
Kilo Delta 2 on the Yaesu.
Kilo Delta 2 on the Yaesu.
That's amazing. Since we're going over a hotspot, there is a delay. And that's perfectly fine. That's the way digital is. And that is it. You're good to go. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.